Assalamu alaikum friends, I am your host Usman Mughal. In today's video I will tell you how you can write a program to delete a malware or a virus or anything attacking on your computer or any just a simple file which is not harming your PC. You just want to delete it through a program written by your hands. First of all, I will tell you how you can do this through C or C++. I am using dev C++ version 5.4.9. You can download this from the link in description. From the site I have pasted the link in description. If you are a simple user, you are being attacked by a malware, then you don't need to concern and focus on the code what I am doing. You just have to follow what I am writing. You have to write word by word. But if you are a learner, then focus on my words and directories which I am including. It will increase your knowledge of language. Okay, first of all, include header file windows.h, then include the header file iostream, then we say using namespace std, then get into our main function. In our main function, let me explain to you. We have included two header files, windows.h and iostream. iostream is used simply for input and output streams. For the sake of an efficiency, I am including this header file. So if you wanna completely follow me step by step, then you have to include this header file, and I have include windows.h. uh, this is the main header file needed which we needed repeating which we needed. So using namespace std is used. Using namespace is used to support std. Std is simply cout. This function is used for output stream, and this function is defined in std class, and this class is std class is defined in iostream. Okay, I don't want to go in depth. Let's get into our fun program. Cout deleting target file. We should say and l end line. It is used for end line. It's not necessary, but just for the sake of efficiency I am using it. Then you say remove. It's a keyword. It's a function defined in windows.h. For just for this function we have included that header file windows.h. After writing remove, you have to write parentheses, then inverted commas between parentheses, and then that's the place where you have to put the location of the file which you want to delete. For example, it's a malware, then open task manager by right click on taskbar, then open task manager, and you can see here are many programs which are running on my PC right now, on my laptop. uh, Here is internet download manager. From here I can open file location. if I click open file location, it will open the folder where this file is located. So I can easily get the location of any malware or any software which I want to delete. Right now I have an extra file shut on my desktop. I want to delete it. So I will right click on it, go on properties, and it's in C, users, desktop. I will copy it, then simply press Ctrl V here, and here is the location of that file which I want to delete. Okay, change these backslashes into forward slashes, remove all those backslashes and write forward slashes. Okay, now put a forward slash here and write the name of file. Till here it's the location of that file, but we have not specified which file we want to delete. There are several files on in C, users, Usman, desktop. There are many files on desktop. I have not specified which file I want to delete. I will check the extension of that file, and it's .exe. That file have the extension .exe. You will find it in front of type of file. Okay, put a forward slash and then file name dot type of file. This file is of type exe. Then out of parentheses we will put a semicolon, and then we say cout. Done. Compile and run. I will give it name antivirus. Let's put a space between antivirus. Okay, and deleting target file, and done. Our target file have been deleted. Let's see if it's deleted. Oh wow, nice, our target file have been deleted. So you can delete any file with this method. For example, I can show you again. I have a text document here. Let me give this file a easy name. I say ZZ. Okay, so I can find it easily. I have already the location desktop, and type of file is .txt. Okay, I want to remove that file. I will just come here and I will change the name zz.txt, and I will execute it, and deleting target file, and done. Let's see. Here we are done. The targeting file have been deleted, and you can see it's never been moved to recycle bin. It have been deleted permanently. Bin could not be recovered through any software. So hope you have learned something today, and it was a very powerful tool, very simple and very powerful, much powerful. So hope you have learned something today. If that was interesting, you have liked it, please put a comment and like my video. Subscribe my channel for more videos. Allah Hafiz.